Zulu.
What's his name?
Zulu. That's a girl.
Zulu.
And this is Zinga, brother, sister.
Oh.
They have a YouTube channel, so we're
Oh, for
featuring.
real?
Yeah.
And I'm just running around that.
Jungle train goes by. Nice.
Months ago, and
So Holly will outlive outlive all of them. Yeah.
And our newest his name was Ted. No, we're staying here just for the day, and then tomorrow we have.
And again on the north side of the river, the big green place. That's the came and cut the ribbon for that hotel when it opened up.
Gotcha, okay.
Later, good job. My name's Dave. I'll be your tour guide today.
Yeah. Pool's here, I know.
Yum, yum, yum.
We have one behind our Airbnb.
Little house with a little well.
This thing is huge. Wow, that thing is big. Look at the size of that thing. Vibrant curiosity.
Sun Princess.
Look at this. This boat has a boat in it.
My goodness.
Look at that. I'm just floored. That thing is huge.
Don't tell anybody I told you. In one of those subs where they come through and catch your anger, in that building they house live samples of every type of coral in the marine world. Now, they also do shark internal research there as well. Lay Tom Bodet's house, Motel 6. They'll leave the light on for you. Right next to Tom's house, there's a white square house. They just built that. They knocked down a house that had been on that